everyone, we're going to find f minus g of 3 and f g of 3 given the graph. And for the graph, you're going to have to figure out what the equation is to do this. So the first one right here is easy. This one is just y equals x, because everything matches up. 1 maps to 1, 2 maps to 2, 3 maps to 3, and 4 maps to 4. Now the red one, it's a little harder. It's an absolute value, but it's reflected. It's shifted to the right by 2, so generally that would be to the right by 2 would be x minus 2. But it's also reflected, so that's going to be negative. And also it's shifted up by 4, so that's plus 4. And if you put that in the calculator, you'll see that that matches up. So we have our two functions now. Our g of x equals x. So if we subtract these, we get f, let's do f minus g of 3. So let's just subtract it like this and not make that much of a big deal about it. So you're just going to do that. Now we're going to plug in 3 everywhere. So get negative, and this should have been absolute value, so make it straight. Everywhere there's an x, we're going to put 3. Alright, so this is going to be negative, this is a 1, plus 4 minus 3, so that equals 0. So the first answer is just going to be 0. Now for this one, we're going to first do g of 3. So when you plug in 3 into this g of x, so everywhere there's x, I put 3. So that just equals 3. So if we write f of 3 now, so because this whole thing just equals what? 3. So now plug that into your f. So f of 3 is going to be negative 3 minus 2, absolute value of 3 minus 2 plus 4. This is 1, so you get minus 1 plus 4, and that just equals 3. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.